And when you want to stop it, you press the same thing. So you press it.
Hold on to Brittany back. Okay.
This ain't gonna work.
I'm too big. I need to be on the front. Let's keep trying.
No, it's not gonna work.
I can't move my knees.
She can't move her knees, Brittany.
I can't move my knees. Let me get it.
Okay. Here you go.
I'm trying.
Here you go. That's good. It's a lot of exercise, isn't it? You're doing good. You're doing real good. Riding off into the sunset. It's out of control, isn't it? They're riding off for a day on the bike trails. Oh no, looks like they're trying to turn around to come back here, this way. That thing's hard to turn. She did it. Good. Yeah, you got it down pat now. But I wouldn't get anywhere where there's too much traffic. Don't run into the... Yeah, don't go where there's too much traffic. You girls won't make it. There might just be some engineering flaw on that particular design.